I'm going to do a test of this Panasonic PV-A306. I have the cable hooked up for the input, video, audio, and the jack is a regular AV jack out. It's just got a thing like your cell phone has. I forget what that plug's called. So that goes in there. And we are now looking at that on the TV. Tape eject. I don't think there's a tape in it, so it's not going to... there is a tape. Let's try to record something. To shut this, you have to press the push button. It says push right on it. Don't force anything. Now, I've got it. Oh, I got the light on. Let's turn the light off. Turn the light off. Camera. So we're ready to record. Hit the record button. And it is recording. The thing about testing this while the audio is hooked up is feedback. If I turn the volume up any, we're going to hear feedback because we're so close to the TV speakers. So I'm leaving the TV volume down, but the volume does work on the camera. So this is cool. That Happy New Year's, you're going to have to read the manual or figure out how to get rid of that. I don't know how to do all that. I know basic operation. Alright, we've recorded. Press the record button again to stop recording. Flip this to VCR. I hit the stop button and then we hit the rewind for a minute. Stop again and hit play. Technically, it should start working. I don't have it on VCR. There's VCR mode. Yes. And it is showing reverse. We hit the stop. Then we hit play. Let's see if we can turn this up now. That Happy New Year's, you're going to have to read the manual or figure out how to get rid of that. I don't know how to do all that. I know basic operation. Alright, we've recorded. Alright, so that's it for the playback on my little video. But the camera is working like it should, which is good news. We're going to turn it off. Which automatically, when you turn that off, the shutter cover shuts. When you turn the camera on, the shutter opens. So this works. I'll put a link to where you can get a charger. Now, you don't really have to buy a camera charger. I buy this. It's a variable power supply on Amazon for about 16 bucks. You get a couple of racks of different kind of jacks, and I'm using one right here. But if you need to power anything from 0 to, or actually 3 volts to 24 volts, so it does stuff like skateboards and things like that. I use this all the time. I use it for laptops. I use it for anything that's 3 volts to 24 volts. It's awesome. If you're going to record video, you're going to need a battery. Don't expect a 30-year-old camcorder to have a good battery, because it won't. Batteries are cheap, especially Panasonic. There's a million Panasonic batteries out there that are brand new. They're making them every day in China. They're like, I don't know, anywhere from $9 to $17. I'll put a link in the ad where you can get a battery, and I'll put a link where you can get a power charger if you need to create videos. If all you want to do is play back videos, this is what you need. You're gonna get this battery, which I did not charge. It looks fine, but I doubt it's any good. And I'll put a link to where you can get one of these.